Hello friends, welcome to the channel Way to Treasure. In this video, let's discuss two potential stocks which are ready for a triangular breakout. And let's see what are those stocks are. The first stock is Tata Power. If you draw the triangular pattern here, there is a support line, and from this support line, the market has bounced almost 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. And when you see a resistance is not a straight resistance, it is a falling resistance, and the resistance has been tested 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. So when you see this pattern, whenever the stock price comes to the support, it is bouncing, and when it reaches the falling resistance, it is coming back towards support. So what can happen in this trade technically, right, is so when it breaks out from this resistance, there are high chances of moving close to the all-time high of 264 or even higher. And this is been forming into this consolidation state from almost 13th of October, that is somewhere around 3 months. From last 3 months, it is in consolidation state. And if you see on a weekly time frame, this is a big bullish stock. So it's almost it was somewhere around 27 rupees in March 2020 during our COVID pandemic, and from there it rallied all over to 267, and from last 3 months it has been consolidating. So as this is a bullish stock, I mean we can easily expect the breakout to happen in maybe in 10 to 15 days. But if it comes back to the support, you can enter at this point as well. So you can either trade at a support of 209 or after a breakout somewhere close to 220 to 225 range. And at least in this we can easily have 1:2 the risk to reward ratio. So that will be a good risk reward ratio that we are suggesting. And the second stock is Tata Coffee. So I have drawn support trend line and the resistance trend line. The stock has touched the support trend line almost 1, 2, 3, and 4 times, and the resistance trend line is 1, 2, 3, and 4 times. So currently, as the support trend line and the resistance trend line are coming closer, this forms a triangular pattern. So here there are two chances of happening for this stock. So one, it can move towards 198 before bouncing back towards the resistance line, or it can directly break out from this point. So we are keeping this on track, and whenever either of these situations happen, we will let you know in the Telegram channel. If you want to join the Telegram channel, the link has been provided in the description box. You can join the channel to get these notifications. And the risk can be calculated by yourself. If I'm going to trade in this stock, I'll wait it to reach 198, and I'll have a stop loss somewhere around 187. And if it tries to breaks out at somewhere around 216 to 220, I'll enter in that case, and then I'll have a stop loss somewhere close to 208. Okay, because after the breakout, if it comes down, there are high chances of it coming back to 198. So there is no point to be in the market from 200 to 213 to 200, because you can if you can exit early, you can enter again back at 198, right? So I hope you have liked this video. If you feel our content is good, please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications that whenever we upload a video in this channel. And if you feel our content is good, you can share this with your family and friends. And thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching this video. Team Way to Treasure signing off.